What's up? Walleyes on me with the video. Hopefully I catch one here. I got two in the bag, so I have caught them. So it's not really going to be a surprise when I do catch one, but there we go. Ooh, had one already. Like I said in one of my shorts, this up against these rocks here, just amazing fishing. So, and it's a day bite right now. I'm using the. Ooh, he got my tail. Look at that. Got my tail. So they're out here. They're chasing, and it's a day bite. Day bites are great because you don't got to be out at night. Get some good rest. And come in the middle of the day, you know, so you can kind of chill out at night, family or whatever, you know. Dinner time instead of having to go out at sunset. Always with the moon eye. Some sort of jig with an eye is crucial. Not sponsored, so I'm not going to show you the type, but this bad boy. Oh yeah, slow rolling it too. And as fall comes, you just go a little bit slower and slower. Right now they're still kind of fast. It's late September. You can do whatever you need to do with them. Slow, fast. Just kind of figure out what they're doing. You know, of course, at nighttime, kind of slow it down just a little bit. Normally, I do at least. Yeah, springtime too, they like it. Yeah, I'm just slow rolling this guy across the bottom. Can't see the rock line. Here's a rock line I'm talking about. Freaking mint. Once in a while, give it the stop and pop, pop and stop. Sometimes you just gotta play with it until you figure out which cadence you need. And I'll tell you, when you're fishing rivers, feeding fish typically face upstream because it's like a buffet of food coming down on them with the current. But however, I do catch a lot of fish casting downstream, so don't take that too much to heart. But definitely more of an advantage to case upstream than to be pulling it into their face. Like right now, I'm fishing downstream. Well, maybe I'll get them next time on a video. I just wanted to give a little what I'm doing here. It's late September and all eyes on me.